Hi, I'm Sean O'Kane with ChipEstimate.com, where we bring you the latest trends and information in IP and semiconductor design in the EDA industry. I'm at the TSMC OIP Ecosystem Forum, and we're going to talk to many of our partners today who have collaborated with TSMC on ultra-low power IoT platforms and subsystems. Let's go. Hi, I'm Sean O'Kane with ChipEstimate.com. With me today is Aronoff. He's the Director of Strategic Business for IMG Works with Imagination Technologies. Welcome, Alan.
Thank you very much. Glad to be here.
So, great to see you. So you're here to talk about the collaboration between Imagination and TSMC focused on delivering a reference design that is targeted for the 4K video imaging and display. And that is and helps accelerate time to market, which is always a good thing. So what are the challenges that SoC designers face when designing 4K wireless streaming applications?
Well, this is a very complicated, complex SoC, and a lot of the challenges are the typical challenges any designer would face, dealing with design complexity and complexity of use cases that the product is going to work in. And with Imagination's IP, we help address the design complexity issue because we provide the majority of the video subsystems, the compute subsystems, GPU, graphics computing, that's all verified and working together. And in our model with the platform business, we put a generic platform out there in the market, and we enable the customer to add his IP or his software value add that differentiates a platform for his end customer or for his application. So we do simplify the challenges of design complexity, and we have the support and capability of putting complex devices together. And in working with a customer, we can deliver a very differentiated solution.
Well, the IoT and 4K video is going to continue to grow and grow fast. So the use of 4K video cameras shows that not only the Internet of Things won't just be about the data gathered for smart devices, but also how do they match the information coming from the IoT equipment itself. So that said, can you talk a little bit about some of the wide range of IoT applications and emerging markets that Imagination will touch?
Okay. We look at the IoT or Internet of Things in three categories. Okay. And I'll make it real simple. First, there's what I would call the 100 kilohertz solution, a low data rate category, machine to machines talking to each other. Data rate is fairly low. Some of this would be over Bluetooth, some of it could be over low power Wi-Fi, which Imagination has available. And all of these involve embedded microcomputing connected to wireless connectivity. That's the 100 kilohertz solution, which I call the M2M data communications. Then we move up a step, we have, which is more of a wireless audio or IoT audio solution. Think in terms of streaming audio to speakers, being able to communicate with the device verbally, have those commands go up to a cloud and have something happen as a result, and maybe getting audio cues on the way back. This is more of what I would call the 1 megahertz solution for wireless communications. Again, this could be Wi-Fi, probably not Bluetooth, just due to the data rates, maybe a little high. But that's the 1 megahertz solution. And then we get into video applications where we're streaming video, just as in the example of the platform where I'm going to be speaking about later today. The key point here is you can have HD video streaming to the cloud. It'll be streaming through compressed video, through our encryption technology, HEVC. And also, one of the key aspects of this, as we see the video market migrating, is going to be the inclusion of imaging analytics. So it's not only streaming video to the cloud, but what is the meaning of the video? Is there information in the video that would send cues for some action to take place?
And this will touch security, surveillance, and they call it smart surveillance
Right.
as well as the automotive
Right.
industry.
So-
And many others. I just wanted to.
So one of the aspects, you mentioned security, yeah, there's camera security, but there's also security of the device, of the connected device. So I think the last thing we want to have is a house full of LED lights or a neighborhood full of LED lights and having some hacker turn on everybody's lights in the house. So all of these devices can be a risk in terms of having a secure internet or a secure device connected to the internet, but through the Imagination OmniShield technology, we have a wide range of technologies that we can deploy in these devices to make them very secure.
Wonderful things coming from Imagination and TSMC. Thank you very much for taking the time to join us. For Alan Aronoff with Imagination Technologies, my name is Sean O'Kane, and we'll see you next time on Chip Estimate TV.